again, let's say temperature is required again. Audience wants our temperature. Audience wants the temperature of the wells as well during a particular point of time. Then we can add time temperature as well, or we can start collecting temperature. And that is how the cycle of a business problem goes on until. But this part, decision making, is the final step, right? We need to make a decision, and that's why we have done a lot of steps. Is there any comment on this or any other example that comes to your mind when we think of this? Okay.
Sir, we can also compare it to the seismic data pre-processing and processing steps.
Yeah, that's correct. For seismic, now, well, seismic is a very complex data, right? It's not very simple like production and so on. So
Yes,
for
yes.
seismic, yeah, the all the steps will be very rigorous. You need to filter all the data which is not in your reservoir and so on. We need to aggregate, and modeling as well will be very rigorous there. We need to apply neural net, if you have heard of that, and so on. So seismic data can be very complex, yes. Yeah, but of course we can compare pre-processing and post-processing, and then give feedback, and then basically optimize our model. There is a subject called model optimization as well, um, but yeah, that's for later. Okay. Any other comments before we move on? All right.
No, no, sir. Go ahead, sir.
All right. Great. Thanks for that positive note. Um, okay. So we are into storytelling now. We have seen how what steps we need to take in order to solve a business problem, and we also saw that data visualization is a very crucial step in that process. Um, Now we are into storytelling. Storytelling, what does it entail? Entangle. It simply means that if you want to engage your audience, um, by the way, why would you engage your audience? To get